let's hope I can get this video done without my phone going dead because it's at like 17%. So I'm gonna start off with the small Dollar Tree haul, and then I'm gonna get to my New Year's contest winner. So I only had 6 entries, but that's okay. So I actually had 7, but for some reason somebody's account was deactivated. I don't know what that was about, but so here are the entries, and I'm going to cut them, put them in a basket, and draw a name. It's going to be that simple. But first I'm going to do the Dollar Tree haul, and it's not big at all. So anyway, well, let's get right to it. I have to get some more diamond wraps. I use these a lot. I actually got 3 silvers and 1 gold. And I have 2 dogs. Well, I had 2. One of our dogs just passed away. Our boy dog boss, he was a puppy. He was about 7 months. He just passed away. And I got this for him because he loved toys. Our older dog, she's a girl. She really doesn't play with toys. She's about 9, almost 10 years old, I guess. And so anyway, I like this, so I'm gonna keep it. So we might get a puppy one day, who knows? But this was really cute, so I picked it up anyway. I see a lot of people hauling these, and it has a little squeaker in it, so I'm gonna keep it. And picked up this flower vase because I could use this on one of my tiered trays, on the top of one of my tiered trays or something, or just use it to put flowers in it. I might get a pretty bouquet for Easter, for spring, and put in here. And I thought that was cute. And then I got this light for my front hall closet because there's no light in it at all, and it's really dark, so I got this for that. It doesn't come with batteries, but it has an on and off switch, and I do like that. So yeah, I got this for that, and it sticks on the wall. And then this is my favorite. I got a lot of scissors. This is my favorite pair, and I lost it, and then I found them, but I bought a new pair anyway. So, and plus these are cute. I love these. And I got some of these. They smell so good. And this is Breezy Black, the Jasmine Lotus. They smell so good. This is my first time going to be using these. I've seen somebody else haul those, so I'm going to try them. And this is just hold on. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up, but the phone rang with my mom. But this is a sanding stone. I use these on a lot of projects, but this is actually for my boyfriend because he's gonna do a project for somebody. But I was looking for one of those red trucks for Easter. I mean, not Easter, that they have for Valentine's Day. I was gonna paint it and write my name on it and hang it up for all year round, because they have Valentine's Day on it. So I was gonna take that off and use it for something else. But the Dollar Trees that I went to, I can't find them no more now. So hopefully I'll be able to find one. But you have to sand the glitter off of them. And the baskets that I was looking for at first were the white ones, and I actually found them somewhere, so I just went ahead and picked some up anyway, just in case I need them. And then I got one of these kind, so I'll just have them whenever I get ready to like do storage somewhere else or something. And I got some more cups because my boyfriend lost. How do you lose a cup? Like, I found the top to my cup, but I couldn't find the bottom. The other one I gave to somebody because they come 2 in a pack, and they come out with different ones of these. And this one says sit back and relax. And the other one I had said something about coffee. I don't know. But he lost it. So I had to buy some more. So I got these. And got me another pack of these acrylic gems, which I should have got more than one pack. I love these. You can use these as vase fillers. You can use them to glue on. You can use them on wreaths. You can use these pretty much for anything. You can use them in aquariums. You can use them for anything. And what else? The next thing I got were all candles. These Pillsbury candles smell good. The best smelling one that I found was the iced cinnamon roll. The other ones I didn't like. They had like some kind of chocolate one and stuff like that. This one was the best smelling one of those kind. And then I got this beach bonfire. And this was the only scent that I found in this kind. And I think it smells good as well. And it's kind of a springy kind of scent. And then I found this Aqua Surf. This is a soy blend scented candle. Too much light. It's Aqua Surf. And it smells really good also. I like it. It kind of smells like a man. I don't know. And I was looking for these everywhere. This scent, this basil and herb by Flashpoint, I really don't like at all. I mean, it's pretty. I like the jar, but I don't like this basil and herb scent. I was looking for the Maui Melon. I should have got like a few of those when I seen them, but I got one because I didn't know if it was gonna linger, or I mean the scent was gonna last, and it actually did. I've been using it like every day now for the last week, and the scent has like stays with the room, and it lasts and lasts, and I really like it. And I'm mad because I didn't get more than one. And this one smells really good also. And this is Spring Dew, and I like this one too. This is the next favorite scent that I found. So actually these are the only two that I'm seeing, and they have 5 different scents, and I've only seen like 3, these 2 and the Maui Melon. So I got 2 of these. And when the top was on this, I don't know where it went. I can't find it. But this is the Heart Chakra candle. This is Devotion and Compassion candle. It's also a soy blend scented candle, and it actually smells good. I'm gonna have to go in and burn it because I can't find the top to it. And when you don't have the top, they, I guess, tend to like this. So let me turn off the camera. Oh, I'm sorry, that's all of the haul. So I'm gonna turn off the camera, cut these up, and I'm gonna turn it back on when I get ready to draw the name, and that will be it. So let me get to the name. I'm back. I'm shaking up the names. I got all 6 names in here. And I'm shaking them up, shaking them up, shaking them up. And let me tell you, I'm going to give you guys till, what's today? Tonight is Tuesday night. So I'm going to give you guys till Thursday. And so I can send it off Friday. I'm going to give you guys till, Thursday to contact me. So you have all of, no, I'm sorry. Today is Monday. So I'm going to give you guys all of Tuesday, all of Wednesday, and then you'll have Thursday so I can send it off Friday. So you got 3 days to contact me. So that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to contact me so I can send this off Friday. And you'll get a package. I'll show you the package in a minute. And you'll also get a card, and it'll be separate. You'll get the package and you'll get the card. Let me tell you why. Because I forgot to put the card in with the package, and I actually meant to do that, but I forgot. So you'll get it in separates. And I want to thank everybody for participating in my giveaway. If you didn't get a chance to this time, please do so next time. I'm going to try to do this once a month. If I can, I'll do it every now and then. You will know. So please, guys, subscribe to me, give me a thumbs up, and everybody that participated, I pretty well know. I think that you all are subscribed, but I will go back and check and make for sure that you are subscribed to me. So let's check and see. Let me see. The winner is Shaquette Taylor. Shaquette Taylor. Can y'all see that? Let me turn this light off. Shaquette Taylor. It's a lot of light. I put a brighter light bulb in my thingy, so it's really bright now. Shaquette Taylor. You are the winner. You are the winner, Shaquette Taylor. So, you guys message, well, there's only one winner. Message me on Facebook if you can, or, well, I know you're on my Facebook page, so message me on Facebook, or email me, but most likely the best way to contact me is through Facebook, because I get so many emails. But message me on Facebook, Shaquette Taylor, and let me know where to send your package and your card, and you will get, the package is already packaged up. I'm gonna make it look a little bit better than this. It will be in this paper, but I'll try to make it look a little bit better. I'm not good at wrapping, so so watch this video. Let me know that you seen the video, and let me know that you know that you are the winner. Like I said, you do have until Thursday to contact me, and if you don't contact me by Friday morning, then I will pick another winner, because it's not for me to contact y'all, it's for y'all to contact me. So thank you guys, like I said, for participating, and thank you for watching my haul. I would like you guys to leave more comments and interact with me more, because that would help me out. Let me know what y'all want to see. Go to my community page, and there's polls there. I do have a Facebook page where y'all can see my DIYs and things like that. So thanks for watching.